As the premier ignition interlock provider, Smart Start has served Alabama since March of 2002. We know that some of our ignition interlock clients and potential clients have questions, so we do our best to communicate some of those that are frequently asked through our blog and YouTube channel. One question we get asked a lot is, what do I need to bring to my interlock device installation? The answer: a photo ID and vehicle registration are preferred, but they're not required.
There is no need to complicate this stuff. We keep our process simple, effective, and affordable. We hope you found this information very helpful. Just subscribe to this channel or visit smartstartal.com/blog for more information on other interlock and alcohol-related topics.